Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I need to divide both sides by d8. Next, we have b squared, ab, a squared, a squared. So we can use about homogeneous because they are degree number 2. So for this one, we can use about b equals to va. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, first derivative of v, we have dv over dA multiplied by a. First derivative of a, we have number 1, so we have v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one gone here. This one we change by this one. So this one we have v squared a squared. This one we have va squared. And now we need to simplify a squared for the both sides. Next, so I will put this one go to the left. 7v with v we have a v, so we just have like this. So we know that this one that is about identities. We can put into v plus 4 to the power of 2. So I will put this one go to the left, dA and a go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over v plus 4. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of 8. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by a. And now we need to change v into this one. Next, we have the conditions. That is about this one. So I will put number 1 gone here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we have negative 1 over 5. This one you got 0. And here is the value of c. So I will put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.